Crypto staking explained. Earn passive income with your cryptocurrency. In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrencies, investors are continually seeking ways to maximize their returns while minimizing risk. One of the most intriguing strategies that have gained significant attention in recent years is crypto staking. This innovative concept not only allows investors to participate actively in blockchain networks but also offers an enticing avenue for generating passive income. In this video, we will explore the concept of crypto staking, how it works, popular staking platforms, and the potential returns it offers. Understanding crypto staking. Crypto staking, in essence, involves participating in the operation of a blockchain network by locking up a portion of your cryptocurrency holdings as collateral. This process helps secure the network and validate transactions, similar to how miners do in proof-of-work (POW) systems. However, crypto staking operates on a different consensus mechanism known as proof-of-stake (POS). In POS, validators are chosen to create new blocks and verify transactions based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This introduces an element of trust and financial incentive to ensure the network's integrity. Validators who act maliciously or dishonestly risk losing their staked assets, which aligns their interests with the network's security and overall well-being. How crypto staking generates passive income. Now that we've established what crypto staking is, let's delve into how it can generate passive income for investors. Earning staking rewards. By staking your cryptocurrency, you become eligible to receive staking rewards. These rewards typically consist of newly created tokens and transaction fees generated within the network. The more you stake, the higher your potential rewards, making it a scalable way to earn passive income. Compound interest effect. Many staking platforms allow you to restake your earned rewards automatically. This compounding effect can significantly boost your returns over time as your initial stake and subsequent rewards continue to earn more rewards. Staking period flexibility. Most staking platforms offer flexibility in terms of the duration of your stake. You can choose to stake for short periods or long term, depending on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Popular staking platforms. Several cryptocurrency projects and platforms offer staking services. Here are a few of the most popular ones. Ethereum 2.0, the highly anticipated upgrade to Ethereum. Ethereum 2.0 has introduced staking for its native cryptocurrency, Ether, ETH. Stakers participate in securing the network and receive ETH rewards in return. Cardano, ADA. Cardano, known for its robust POS blockchain, allows ADA holders to participate in staking. Users can delegate their ADA to stake pools and receive rewards for their contributions to the network. Tezos, XTZ. Tezos employs a unique staking model where users can bake or delegate their XTZ tokens to validators. In return, they earn XTZ rewards and contribute to the network's governance. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally, offers a staking program for its native token, Binance Coin, BNB. Users can stake BNB to earn rewards and other benefits within the Binance ecosystem. Potential returns and risks. The potential returns from crypto staking can vary widely depending on factors like the cryptocurrency's price, the staking percentage, and network participation. Annual returns typically range from 5% to 20% or more, making it an attractive option for passive income. However, it's crucial to be aware of the associated risks. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, and staked assets may not be easily accessible for trading or withdrawal. Additionally, while POS networks are considered more energy efficient than POW networks, they are not entirely risk-free, and network vulnerabilities could impact your staked assets. In conclusion, crypto staking has emerged as a compelling strategy for generating passive income in the cryptocurrency space. It combines the potential for substantial returns with active participation in blockchain networks. As with any investment, it's essential to conduct thorough research and carefully consider your risk tolerance before diving into the world of crypto staking. Have you considered incorporating crypto staking into your investment portfolio, and what factors are influencing your decision? Answer or leave a comment in the box below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. Happy investing! Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe.